Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on a school computer. Many school networks have strict firewalls that block popular gaming sites and applications. This guide will help you understand why these blocks exist and how to find browser-based versions of the game. We will cover simple steps to access unblocked games, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite endless runner during appropriate times. Remember to always respect your school's rules. School networks are designed to support learning, and IT departments use firewalls to manage internet access. These systems often block hundreds of gaming websites and applications to prevent distractions. The primary goal is to ensure students remain focused on their studies and to protect the network from potential security threats. This also helps conserve valuable network bandwidth, ensuring smooth operation for educational tools and resources. To find unblocked versions, you can start by searching online for unblocked games or browser games for school. There are dozens of websites specifically designed to host games that bypass common school network restrictions. These platforms often provide browser-friendly versions of popular titles, including Subway Surfers, that run directly without needing any downloads or installations. Always choose reputable sites to ensure a safe and smooth gaming experience. While it's fun to play games, remember to always prioritize your schoolwork and assignments. Be mindful of your school's computer usage policies. Violating them could lead to consequences. Never download any unknown files or software, as this can compromise the computer's security. It's best to enjoy games like Subway Surfers during designated free time, such as lunch breaks or after completing your academic tasks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.